Milk is a nutrient-rich beverage that provides a variety of health benefits. It is a good source of several essential nutrients that play important roles in overall health and well-being. Here are some of the benefits of milk. 1. Calcium and bone health. Milk is one of the best dietary sources of calcium, a mineral essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. 1. Adequate calcium intake during childhood, adolescence, and adulthood can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures later in life. 2. Protein source. Milk is a good source of high-quality protein, which is important for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. 3. Vitamins and minerals. In addition to calcium and protein, milk contains other important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, vitamin A, vitamin B12, riboflavin, vitamin B2, phosphorus, and potassium. 3. These nutrients contribute to various bodily functions, such as immune system support, vision, and energy metabolism. 4. Hydration. Milk is composed mostly of water, making it a hydrating beverage that helps maintain fluid balance in the body. 5. Weight management. Low-fat or reduced-fat milk options can be included in a balanced diet to help support weight management. 5. The protein and combination of nutrients in milk can contribute to feelings of satiety. 6. Heart health. Some studies suggest that moderate dairy consumption, including milk, may be associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. 6. However, it's important to choose low-fat or reduced-fat milk to limit saturated fat intake. 7. Muscle recovery. The protein content in milk, particularly whey protein, can aid in post-exercise muscle recovery and repair. 8. Nutrient absorption. The combination of nutrients in milk, such as calcium and vitamin D, is important for proper nutrient absorption and utilization in the body. 9. Growth and development. Milk is a staple food for infants and young children, providing essential nutrients for growth, brain development, and overall health. 10. Digestive health. Some fermented milk products, such as yogurt and kefir, contain probiotics, beneficial bacteria, that can support gut health and digestion. It's worth noting that while milk offers numerous benefits, individual responses to dairy products can vary. Some people may be lactose intolerant or have allergies to milk proteins, and in these cases, dairy alternatives may be more suitable. When incorporating milk into your diet, it's important to choose the type of milk that aligns with your nutritional needs and preferences. Opt for low-fat or reduced-fat versions to limit saturated fat intake, and consider consulting a healthcare professional or registered dietitian if you have specific dietary concerns or restrictions.